Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell how to write a program in Python to find which operating system you are using. So let's get started.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Open any folder. In the address bar type cmd. Type code dot in the command prompt. Create a new file. Name it as operating-system.py. Follow the code shown in the video. After completing the code, press the Run button. As you can see, I have got my operating system name. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.